Are you ready for the next step? Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are taking phase 2 of our homemade liquor course. 10 days ago, we started a video course on the preparation of 3 specific liquors: limoncello, Curacao, and chocolate liqueur. The goal is to have them ready for the Christmas period. For the 2 citrus bases, we infused the zest in the alcohol for 10 days. For the chocolate liqueur, we infused alcohol with 2 vanilla pods. If you want to check out what we did exactly, you can find the link to the video here above. Now, let's move to the next stage. This step is quick and easy. We start by preparing the syrup for the Curacao. We melt 1 kilogram or 2 pounds of sugar into 1 liter or 4 cups of water. For the limoncello instead, we melt 1 kilogram or 2 pounds of sugar into 6 cups of water. We leave both syrups aside now to cool down completely to room temperature. In the meantime, we remove the zest from the alcohol using a filter, but do not throw them away. We briefly rinse the infusion bottles and pour the filtered alcohol back inside. Once the syrup is completely cold, we add it to the limoncello and the Curacao bottles. We give each a good shake and we leave them to infuse for 10 more days. The alcohol with the chocolate liqueur is already getting a nice color from the vanilla, but we don't need to do anything at this stage. We give it a good shake and leave it to infuse for 20 more days. That is all for now. Next time, we will be bottling the orange and lemon liqueurs, so make sure you have your bottles ready. For more delicious liqueur recipes like this one, check out the playlist I've linked for you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next culinary adventure. The infused lemon and orange zest are the perfect addition to your Christmas dessert. We will see on our next video.